Welcome to Macroedtech online educational services. We are going to launch 100 days revision series for the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, commonly known as GATE, for 2025, especially for data science and artificial intelligence. In today's video, we will discuss chapter number 1, probability and statistics. Let's talk probability. In today's short video, we will see some important terms related to probability. But why probability is important? Probability is important because it helps us quantifying uncertainty and make informed decisions in situations where outcomes are uncertain. For an example, decision making, and some more example like risk assessment, predictive modeling, scientific research, and most importantly, everyday life. So today we are going to learn some key terms and concepts that will help us understand probability better. So in simple terms, probability is the likelihood or chance of something happening. We use probability to predict outcomes and make decisions. Now four important key terms. First one is outcome, second event, third probability, and fourth sample space. So what do you understand by outcomes in probability? Outcome means a possible result of an experiment or a situation. For an example, suppose we roll a fair six-sided die. The possible outcomes are numbers 1 to 6. So the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second important term, events. Events are collection of outcomes. Previously we saw outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For an example, let's say we define the event rolling an even number. So even number in total outcomes 2, 4 and 6. So out of total outcomes 2, 4, 6 are even number. So this is an event. So probability is the likelihood of an event occurring expressed as a fraction, decimal or percentage. Now you are able to understand this statement. The probability of an event. We know probability and event. So the probability of an event is calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of outcomes. For an example, the probability of a rolling an even number 2, 4, 6 and total outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability 3 divided by 6 or 1 by 2. Now one more example, the probability of winning or losing on this spinner is 4 by 8 because the total outcomes you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total outcome is 8 and probability of winning you can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 divided by 8 equal to 1 by 2 or 50%. So probability of winning or losing both are same. Now next important term is sample space. So sample space is a set of all possible outcomes. For an example, if we flip a coin, the sample space is head or tail. To sum up this key terminology section, let's review. What is outcome? all possible result of an experiment. And what is event? Collection of outcomes. Probability, likelihood of an event occurring. And what is sample space? Set of all possible outcomes. Let's start our discussion with one PYQ. The mean and variance of a Poisson random variable are equal. Second statement, for a standard normal random variable, the mean is 0 and the variance is 1. So based on PYQ, it is very important to learn some mathematical and statistical terms. So let's start with random variables. So random variables, suppose x denotes possible outcomes of an event. We know the meaning of event and outcomes. And random variables can be discrete or continuous. So now what is discrete and what is continuous? First of all, discrete. A random variable denoting outcomes of coin toss, a random variable denoting outcome of a dice roll, means fixed number 0 1 like categorical data, and 1 to 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 outcome of a dice roll. So these are discrete random variable. And now what is continuous random variable? A random variable denoting the bias of coin, random variable denoting heights of student in a class, random variable denoting time to get to your hall from department. So these are some basic example. Some important distribution, discrete and continuous. First of all, we will see discrete distribution like Bernoulli, binary numbers, outcomes head, tail, categorical 0, 1 of a coin toss, binomial, bounded non-negative integers like head in n coin tosses, multinomial, Poisson is very important because previously asked, non-negative integers like words in a document and many others. Second one, continuous distributions. First one, uniform, numbers defined over a fixed range. Second, beta, gamma, Dirichlet, Gaussian. Gaussian is very important, known as normal distribution. Now we'll see different kind of important distributions in which we will see variance and mean. Under discrete distribution, first one is Bernoulli distribution, and in today's video we are focusing only on mean and variance. So one important point, total probability always 1, as we know that. So mean for Bernoulli distribution is P and variance PQ. Now second, binomial distribution, distribution number of success in number of trials, in which mean is NP and variance NPQ. You can write 1 minus P equal to Q. So mean is NP and variance is NPQ. Also remember, variance is square of standard deviation. Now third, under discrete distribution is Poisson distribution. Asked in 2024 GATE data science and artificial intelligence. What is mean and variance? Please remember, mean and variance both equal in case of Poisson distribution. Now we will see continuous distribution. First one, uniform distribution. So mean and variance, mean is b plus a divided by 2. What is b? What is a? Is finite interval. And variance, b minus a whole square divided by 12. Second one under continuous distribution is univariate Gaussian distribution or normal standard deviation, where mean and variance, mean is 0 and variance is 1. So this was just only introductory class. In upcoming videos, we will discuss in great detail regarding probability distribution and statistics. So thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel for daily updates.